Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your iPhone to Windows 11 via Bluetooth. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Turn on your iPhone and ensure it's unlocked. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to enable it. Leave the Bluetooth settings open on your iPhone. On your Windows 11 PC, click on the Start menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings window, click on Devices. Choose Bluetooth and other devices from the left sidebar. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to turn it on, if it's not already enabled. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth from the options that appear. Your Windows PC will now search for available Bluetooth devices. On your iPhone, look for your Windows PC's name in the list of available devices. Tap on your Windows PC's name to initiate the connection. A pairing request will appear on both your iPhone and Windows PC. Confirm the pairing request by tapping Pair on your iPhone. Then, click on Yes or Pair on your Windows PC. Once connected, your devices will confirm the successful pairing. You can now transfer files or use other Bluetooth features. To disconnect later, simply return to the Bluetooth settings on either device. Remember to turn off Bluetooth if it's not in use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.